茶になって天皇の海岸をたださまよって飛んでしょう Hey もうハウスナンバー覚えていくとこないならここに来とよまだ足りないんだ愉快な遊びがね危機的興味本位刺激的ニューウェーブ見たい通り理想の答えはあると思うよ One, two, three
First thing we would like to
And we welcome you to this special gathering that is
Opat dito. Ubus na. Ubus na. Ubus na.
Jay and Mary's family.
Yay! Merry Christmas!
The Kiribati family. We have Cat family.
Ay.
And this next one family, Natalia and Bill.
daming family.
Already ate, right? Ang hirap naman ito. I have to speak English. But you can still continue eating and we have a lot of food in the table. Thank you. Here, garbage everywhere. So please help us.
Thank you!
Picture. 25.
Yeah.
I-25.
56! Ay, yeah. Meron pa ba? Sakto ba?
Extra na to eh.
Extra lang ako. Sige.
Try mo.
Okay yan.
Mas hindi
Ay.
mag-fall.
Ayan, ito na yun.
Okay na.
Thank you.
Baby.
Baby, naku. Sasha ba sa yan? Try mo, try. Who's that?
Kuya Joe, where are you? You're... Come on, let's go. Let's do this.
Another round of applause for 800.
Matinding labanan to, matinding labanan. Parang mahirapan na. The judges are getting, who's gonna win tonight. I think 600.
Oh, Merry Christmas!
be the winner for the TikTok Challenge 2025. And of course, Michelle will get the prize because she's the one also leading. Sa amin naman si Brenda, we will recognize the polka dot girl, Brenda. And the 700, si Pam naman ang leader, the 700. Sila yung mga leader. I can come over here. Kids 500. Kids 500. Oh, marami kayong prize.
Nino!
Sumayaw to, di ba?
Oh, yan yun.
Dance? Ayun yung kunin.
Ayaw, hindi. Kunin mo yan. Pera yan, pera. Okay, thank you. Okay. Bigay kay mami ang napamaskuhan. Ibigay kay mami ang napamaskuhan.
Presto, Pia. Next one. Okay, the next one is...
Panalo, panalo.
And final preview. And then we have Prisma. And of course, salamat naman sa nagbigay ng cellphone. Okay, yeah, Paul, you have to be here. Come here, Paul. Paul or si Prince. Very.
Because you're very good, let's reverse it.
So we will reverse it to Sumay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, guys, be the judges, ha, please. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
All boys, please.
Palagay ko, hindi ka na natin itong laro to. Mag-jumbo hotdog na lang tayo.
Okay, Jumbo hotdog na lang. Jumbo hotdog, boys. Jumbo hotdog, kaya nyo ba to? Kaya nyo ba to? Kaya nyo ba to? Nico! And then we will proceed again, but you need to give us an intermission number. Terry Jan. Okay guys, you have to follow. Okay.
Yan yung wala ng premyo yung apat.
Go guys, go! Okay, go! O, practice na yun. Kaya nyo na. Kaya nyo na. 1, 2, 3. Go! Give them a round of applause.
It's okay, baby.
1, 2, 3.
Mag-arcade ay maglolo yan!
Say hi! Galingan nyo!
Ready, get set, go!
Ay, Iris, tingin!
Okay, this is an activity. Are you ready? This is an activity. Okay, a musical instrument. Okay, ready? I will say ready. Ready, set, go! Okay, come! Fruit, just guess. Okay, apple. Lemon. Okay. Ready? I'm on it yet. Ready? Ready, get set, go! Horseback riding? Okay, there's another. We have to give a chance. We have to give a chance.
Hi.
Flowers.
When your heart is racing at the speed of light, and you feel like you got nowhere else to go. No, I want you till the sun